Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Where have I been, you ask? I've been super busy with life, with family. My son and his wife bought a new home, so we've been helping paint, and they're going to be moving this month, and just a lot has been going on in my personal life, and I've really missed you guys. I've missed filming, and yeah, I'm just really glad to be back. But I do want to say that for the last couple of years, I've tried to do 2 videos a week, but I have been finding myself really lucky to put out 1 video a week. So I'm going to continue to put out 1 video a week. If I have time, I'll try to do a second video. Most of my videos are probably going to be coming out on the weekend, but I will try to throw a midweek video in here and there when I can. So I did want to let you guys know this, and I've been meaning to do a community post. I've been too busy to do that as well. So I just wanted to explain to you guys where I've been. I don't have any intentions on stopping YouTube. I've thought about it. I can't lie. But I love it. I still love it. I never had any intentions in doing YouTube as a second job or really making money. We do make a little bit of money here and there on YouTube, or I do rather, but it's just been kind of an outlet for me, and I share a beautiful community that I'm a part of with many of my friends, and I really enjoy being a part of this community. So I'm not going anywhere. You probably won't see me as much, at least probably during this summer. So I just wanted to let you guys know where I've been and just where my head's at right now. So anyway, guys, I'm super excited today because I'm filming again, and I have the most fabulous Coach summer bag I think I've ever come across. Actually, Winnie had sent me a text and said, I found a Yota bag. And when I looked at it, I was like, bam, girl, yes, I have to have it. Before we get started, I'll show you my bag of the last couple of days, and today I'm going to use it. And it's not really one of my spring bags, but it's turned off cold here again. So I thought I would use my Fendi backpack, you guys. I finally retrieved it back from my daughter. My closet is open to her. It didn't used to be. I used to be so particular, and I would let her use something for a special occasion here and there. But you guys, it's just me and a closet full of bags. So I told Alexandra, I said, you know what? You can use any bag you want, and my closet's open to her. And she brought this back the other day because I told her I wanted to use it, and it's always been a favorite. I love it because it does have this part here, which I use as a grab and go. It's just kind of like Saffiano leather, kind of like a Prada bag, the leather. This bag is indestructible. Got this in Greece, in Mykonos, and it's a favorite. It's a forever bag, and Alexandra loves it, obviously. But I'm glad to be carrying it again, and I just haven't showed this bag on my channel in a really long time. So that's my bag of the past couple of days and for today. All right, what else do I have? I have another unboxing. So I have this first small Coach unboxing, and when I saw this, I grabbed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And I have finally learned to pull this tab. Maybe all that asbestos, or whatever it is, won't come flying out at me. Okay. When I saw this item on the Coach website, I thought I have to have that. And I'm not usually one to buy a lot of extra straps. So yes, it is a strap, but this one spoke to me. You know, inanimate objects, especially things in the handbag category, they speak, and they speak to me. And this one spoke, and it said, Yota, this was made for you. So not only did Winnie find me a Yota bag, but I found the perfect Yota strap. I don't know what I'm going to use it on, but I knew I had to get it. Let me go ahead and okay. I'm jumping ahead of myself. I thought it was the strap. Okay, it's not a strap. All that. I could delete all that because that was pretty funny. The strap's coming. Okay. It may even be delivered today, so it might be in my next video. All right, what this is a Yota charm. Real life, people. I'm going to go ahead and get all the wrapping off of this before I show it to you. I love charms. I'm not a huge charm girl. I say that all the time, like some people are, and that's fine. It's not really totally my thing. But when I saw this one, I was like, yes, I must have you. And it was the perfect price. Ah, look at that. They're little sparkly dice. So 2 of my favorite colors, red and pink. And I love red and pinks together. Oh my gosh, so they have these little crystals on them. Oh, I love it. Okay, so the red or the orange. Take 2. The red dice has the little pink crystals on it. Let me go ahead and cut this tag off. That's annoying because I'm keeping it. And actually, a lot of Coach charms are about, what, $95? And this one at $45 I thought was just a really good price. It's got, like I said, the larger charm. Then it has the pink one with the crystals. And it has a little dangly C, because you know we love a good dangle here on YotaStyle. And I just think this is cute as pie. So, yeah, that is a Yota charm. So that is my first unboxing, and I'm very happy with this piece. All right, guys, let's get into the ultimate spring and summer, mostly summer, I think, Yota bag, as Winnie put it. I'm so excited. Clearly I've been away too long. Okay. I really am excited. Okay. The ultimate summer bag. I will use this thing like crazy. Thank you, Winnie, for telling me about this bag. After I got it, not long after I got it, it was sold out. I don't know if it's been restocked. I don't know. But if I can find it, I will link it because it is amazing. It is amazing. I love it. Okay. I don't even remember the name of this bag, but they have leather styles just like it. I'll link it below, you guys. I'll put it on the screen for you. Let's go ahead and get it out of this plastic bag. And I'm going to try it on because this is a big mama jamma, okay? It's a big mama jamma. It'll be perfect for the beach, perfect for the boat, perfect for my summer lifestyle, and I'm so happy to have it. All right, let's get it out, and I'm going to check it out and do the mod shots. Oh, wow. Okay. Let me pull this off the... Okay. Okay. Look at it. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so it's... What is this called? Raffia? This raffia whatever tote. Oh, my gosh. And the lettering on it... I thought it was wood. It's not... What is it? It's not wood, but just at first glance, I think it looks like it's wood, but it's not. I mean, this thing takes up the whole screen. Look at that. Yeah, it's got some kind of weaving over whatever's under there. So it says Coach Leatherwear, and it's got the shoulder strap. It's just like a boho, just slouchy bag. And I paid $2.95. I actually got this one at Nordstrom. Not sure why. Because when I did get this, it was available. Maybe I got, oh, I got some earrings too. That's what it was. But anyway, guys. It has the Coach leather strap. It has the Coach leather hang tag here. It's a cute little touch. And it has, oh, wow. It has a very, very strong magnetic closure here. Very strong. That is a huge plus. You know, I've had luxury bags that have magnetic closures and they're not strong at all. So Coach always does it up right. So I'm going to take all this stuffing out and see what it is like. Well, before I do that, let me put that back in because I'm going to do some mod shots. Then I'm going to take the stuffing out and just see, because it's just going to be a floppy bag. But that's the appeal these days. That's what's in right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few mod shots first. All right, let's try her on. I'm in my overalls today. I'm going over to my son's to paint the front door. All right, so let's put it on. Perfect. Perfect. I will use this like crazy. I love it so much. Thank you, Winnie. Winnie. Thank you so much, Winnie, for telling me about this bag. This is just going to be my go-to summer bag, not just for the beach and not just for going to the river on the boat, but for everything. It's just a cute little style. And they also have some raffia type sandals. Thinking about picking those up because you guys know I'm into Coach shoes, but I love it. It's the perfect strap drop. It's the perfect strap drop. Wow. I love it. 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 You guys, I know I'm hot mess Yota today, but I can't help it. Most days I am. Oh, here's the Coach dust bag. It was folded up inside of it. I didn't even think about that. Most days I am hot mess Yota. And, you know, in my earlier videos, I used to think, I gotta do my hair and makeup to do a video. Well, those days are gone. You guys know me. All right, there it is. There it is. And you know what? The thing about this bag is, and I'll come back and do like first impressions or, you know, what fits. Everything fits. But the raffia or whatever is very tightly woven. Very tightly woven. And that tells me that it's excellent quality. I have never, no, I've had one Coach bag that I got brand new from the boutique, and it was kind of, I don't know, dented. Really, and I'm not that picky, but it was dented to the point that I just couldn't keep it. One time out of all the Coach bags I've ever bought. This is excellent quality. If you don't love the large one and just want a small little tote bag, you can get the smaller size, and I think the smaller size is $1.95. But this is well worth the price for me because I will use it like crazy. Before I go, I've got two little items for sale. Now, this is the Coach pink strap, and I don't remember what I paid for it. I don't know if I paid full price or if I got it on sale, but I've had it for a while. I have not ever used it. I really thought I would, and I just never have. So I'm going to sell this for $75, but you also get this tassel, and this is a dress up your purse leather tassel, and it's treated, so it's always going to stay this color. It's not going to patina. So both of these together, $75, which is a really good deal because I think I paid $1.95 for this one, full leather Coach strap. It's beautiful, but I've had it long enough that I know I will not use it. I try not to do this kind of stuff. Like, I try to just buy things that I know I'm going to use, and I thought that I would, but I just haven't. So I need to move her along, and this is $75, and then you get this along with it. And I'm not sure how much this is or if she still has these on Dress Up Your Purse, but they're beautiful on a Neverfull. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I will be back this weekend with another video. I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Peace.